Okay, so I did my brows off camera, so I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha, and I'm going to use this for under my brows. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Honey. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. So the palette I'm going to use today is the Violet Voss See You Later palette. And this is their new palette that they sent to me. And you guys, this palette is so freaking pretty. Like, look at the greens and the blues. Oh my goodness, and the warm tones. Like, this palette is everything. So today I want to do a bronzy look. I really want to do a bronzy look, y'all, because I thought I did one for this other look, but it turned out to be more taupe. So we're going to use this palette for that bronzy look. Perfect for fall. So I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here. And then we're going to put that all in the crease. And I'm just going to use this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. So now I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here. And I'm going to put that all in the crease as well. So I'm going to go in with the Violet Voss the Blossom palette. I don't know how to say that, so I'm not gonna try. So I'm going with the Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to use this brown because I need a dark brown and that palette doesn't have one. Y'all, so I'm going to use this shade right here, and it's called Starfish. So we're going to see what it does, because I might not need to add glitter. Y'all, we don't need no glue. Y'all, we don't need no glitter. So I'm gonna go back in with that orange first in the crease to blend everything. And then go in with that dark brown. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in Cause I'm Black. And you guys, I love this freaking eyeliner. The best eyeliner is so black, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll use this also for my beauty mark. So. So I'm gonna try the Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas all over my face. So this is what we're gonna do. For my foundation, I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation, the Juvias Place foundation in the shade Malawi 230. I love this foundation, y'all. It gives me that nice coverage, not cakey. A little goes a very long way. Next, for my concealer, we're going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Then I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. My Huda Beauty powder, you guys. Love this powder. Love this powder. take my Makeup Forever powder. This is the Matte Velvet Skin, and this is in the shade Y505. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and this is the Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade Dark. For my blush, we're going to go in with the Juvias Place blush, and I'm going to use this orange all on my cheeks. Or we're going to use the Aina and Artist Couture highlighter in Le Peach. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and because I'm black, gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. Spray it on my this is what we're looking like. So I think I want to do a gloss for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Juvias brown lip liner. So I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Let's Cuddle. And you can just wear it like this, but I'm gonna use a gloss, and this is from KRouserBeautyBar, and this is called Nudish, which is available now, and it's kind of like matte spiked. Well, spiked. So this is like matte spiked. So this is the finished look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. This is a look, sweetie, like, period, sweetie. Glossy lip, gorgeous lashes. We love a little good smoky bronzy gold. This more gold. Y'all see how I just change up everything? So indecisive. but I'm loving this gorgeous gold. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, don't forget to click the bell down below so you guys can be notified whenever your girl posts a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.